Hey cadets, technology is about making our lives easier. But let's face it, the apps we use daily, they didn't just fall from the sky. They didn't just fall from the sky, did they? Developing apps that are actually usable is kind of like solving a Rubik's Cube, blindfolded, in a tornado. Google Play and iOS app stores are amazing because they create a place for Android and iOS app developers to find exposure, market reach, and validation. And of course, it's a place where you and I can find any app we need. Now, imagine having a Web3 version of the App Store, a place where you can find the best apps that fit all your needs. Today's video will review an amazing team of developers that conceptualized a Web3 app store. Let's get into it. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts.
Cryptonauts.
The first of its kind, Magic Square, transfers the elegance of an app store and places it into the Web3 world, all to simplify cryptocurrency usage, consolidate decentralized applications, and accelerate crypto adoption worldwide. Users can discover community-vetted apps that cover anything from CeFi and DeFi to NFTs and games, all in one place with an intuitive and user-friendly design. Magic Square consists of three core elements: Magic Store, or the Web3 App Store itself; Magic Spaces, where you can browse and use your favorite apps; and Magic ID, a digital identity management wallet solution. Let's explain how everything works and why you should check them out. With just one swipe, you can log into the Magic Store using your personalized and secure digital identity via Magic ID. This multi-chain wallet solution aims to become the Web3 alternative to Google or Apple Connect. From there, you can browse apps that the community has vetted, ranked, and prioritized via a DAO mechanism. Of course, all the app earning metrics are displayed and well known in order to incentivize the participation of validators, creators, and users. All the apps you use will be displayed on your Magic Spaces, and the more you use them, the more you will get rewarded. Magic Square has a karma system where using the apps and contributing to the network will get you paid in their native SQR token. Last but not least, if you are a developer, your Web3 projects usually start with a dream, a cup of coffee, and two big questions. How can I make someone's day a little less hair-pullingly frustrating? And how am I gonna get anyone to use my app? Well, Magic Square offers a solution in the form of Magic Affiliates. The first of its kind, it is a solution created to help new dApps gain traction by incentivizing user participation. Affiliates are presented with a list of offers in the program to choose from and immediately paid via a smart contract after they complete the offer. The project itself received support from a list of high-profile angel investors and backers that include Binance Labs, KuCoin Labs, Huobi Ventures, Crypto.com, and more. To sum it up, Magic Square's mission is to provide a win-win solution for the ecosystem, a safe space for users to discover quality, crypto-focused apps, and a place where app developers can acquire new users efficiently. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of Magic Square. What are your thoughts on the project? How do you see yourselves using the platform? Are you a developer or a user? Just please let us know. We would love to hear your thoughts. And as always, if you want to keep up to date with the project, follow them on various social media platforms and their official website, or use Magic Square as a developer or user. You can find all the relevant links down below in the description. We're working very closely with the Magic Square team because we really like what they're building. So we'll leave the referral link down there. You can click it and sign up if you want to start playing around with the apps and stuff like that. But I mean, again, you don't have to. If you enjoyed this video, then please boost the algorithm by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Ding! Until next time, don't forget to hodl, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.